Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures with Jenny. In today's video we are heading to Universal Studios. We are checking into our hotel. We are staying at Cabana Bay, so we are just walking to check into our room to see if it is ready. Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort is a retro style. It's done in the Florida beach resorts of the 1950s and 60s, and I just really love the retro style. And the resort offers standard rooms with 2 queen beds. And then they also have family suites, which is a great option if you are traveling up to 6 guests. And those family suites have 2 queen beds and a pull-out sofa. And we are staying at a family suite during our stay. And then you also have the benefit of early park admission. So our room is ready. We're ready to go. So we are just going to the bathroom, walking around, and then we're gonna move our car and then head to our room. So we just got to our building. We are staying in the Thunderbird building, and now I'm trying to figure out how to get to our room. We're on the 4th floor, so I'm not sure. Okay, so on the 4th floor, I am on my way to the room. It's a little confusing. I'm coming up alone, try to take some photos and videos, and hopefully my parents and Franklin do not get lost, because this is actually a little confusing in this resort. It's all kind of like turned around, something I'm not used to, but that's okay. This is kind of like a motel style, but hopefully we're getting closer to our room. Yeah, I went too far down. There's one of the other buildings over there, it looks like. Oh, there's the pool. Okay, oh, we're getting close. 2406. Oh, and here we are. We're in 2406. Oops. The other way would help. All right. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, this is really cute. It's a little kitchenette area. I do really like the retro vibes. A little seating area. This is really cute. Franklin is gonna love this little area with the TV. This little bar area is super cute. And then over here, we have our 2 beds. Let's see, let me turn on the light. See a little bit. We have 2 beds over here. And then here is the bathroom area. Separate toilet over here, and then here is the bathtub over here. So we are staying in the motel style section of the resort. The other side is more like a traditional hotel. And then over here we have another TV, and then this little area, the little closet space with hangers, ironing board. And so this is our room at Cabana Bay. We are here for 2 nights. Tomorrow we will be going to Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure. So now I'm gonna head back out and try to find them because I think they're gonna get lost. I really liked having this separate seating area in our family suite, and the couch does pull out so some of your family or guests can sleep there. After getting settled in our room, we are heading to the pool. And we are just going to the one that is closest to our room. There are 2 major pools and a lazy river, which we wanted to do, but having a 2-year-old, we just really weren't sure about that, and it was on the other side of the resort, so we just decided to stay near our room. We finally found the splash pad. We couldn't figure out how to get over here, but finally we found that there was a gate right over there. But the water is really cold in the splash pad area. So I think we're gonna spend a little bit of time here. I think I'm gonna go grab a drink and then maybe go to the pool area. You gotta have your life jacket on. Hey. Wow, good job. Look at that. Wow. You're doing so good.
Show Mama how you kick.
Oh, show me.
Kick your feet.
Can you kick?
Kick, swim.
Wow. Franklin and my dad are playing in the little sand beach area, and I am so thirsty, so I'm gonna head to the lobby to see if I can find something to drink. They didn't have an IPA at the Atomic Bar, so we're gonna check out the lobby. So I went to the bar in the lobby and they had an IPA. I guess most of the bars have been out of IPAs, and it's really the only thing that I drink. Cocktails are just too sweet for me. So I got my drink and I'm gonna head back to see Franklin and my dad. Are you playing in the sand? Did you find some sand toys? Wow, look at that. There you go. Putting the sand in your bucket? Are you gonna dump out the sand? Whoa. Fun.
Where'd you go?
Uh-oh. Is Paws burying you, Franklin? Uh-oh. Paws is burying you in the sand.
Got it.
You want to say hi? Wow. Give him a hug?
Give a big hug.
Give him a big hug.
Big hug. Yeah.
Oh. No?
Yeah, you do it.
So we are having dinner. Franklin got the kids chicken tenders and fries with milk. And then I got the Brazilian beef with chimichurri, rice, and sweet plantains. And this looks really good. So that is what I'm having for dinner. Aww. We're gonna go check out to see if we can go bowling. We weren't able to go bowling because we did not make a reservation. So if you plan on going bowling, definitely make a reservation in advance. Since we weren't able to go bowling, we headed to the arcade right next to Galaxy Bowl, and Franklin loved the arcade. He had so much fun, so we still had a great time. And I really love that Cabana Bay offers these resort activities for your family to do on vacation. After finishing up at the arcade, we headed back to our room and we called it a night. So that wraps up our first day at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. If you would like to see more travel vlogs and our next day at Universal, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!